Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kannan. Today I'm going to talk about two important topics. One is about the latest coronavirus update, and other one is about the self motivation. So let us get into the coronavirus update first. So as of now, when I am taking this video, the number of coronavirus in Tamil Nadu has risen to 6068, which is again the highest of all time again, and after so many days it has reached the 6000 mark. So not only that, about this coronavirus update, I like to tell and share some incidents with you, which is pretty disappointment for me. Have you ever wondered why this number of coronavirus has been increasing for the past couple of days? Well, maybe some of you might be telling that it is due to the migration from other cities to Chennai, or many other reasons might be there. But you haven't noticed one thing. One of the main reasons why it is increasing is because of our laziness and lethargicness. You may ask, what lethargicness is nothing but just not following the basic rules what government has said. For instance, let me tell you an incident where I witnessed one. So, from the place where I live, around 2 to 3 buildings away, so one family has got affected by the coronavirus, and they made the measurements like sanitize the place and even posting the stickers and posters over there. It was started on last Friday. The thing is, even though they have posted the poster related to the coronavirus, the family is still coming out. As you all know, if one person gets a coronavirus, that person should quarantine himself for 14 days and later on take the test, and if it is negative then he can come out. But in this case, last Friday they have tested positive for coronavirus and the entire family has been tested positive. But the most saddest part is nothing that family is still coming out just like that. So what's the use in coming out? In the place they should be quarantined there. But yet they are not afraid of anything and they are just coming out. Because of this only, the coronavirus has been spreading across the state and across the country. So this lethargicness will not only cause them trouble, but it will cause others who are living among the surroundings near them. We are at higher risk of getting the coronavirus. So I please request our people to maintain social distancing and to wear mask and if possible gloves while going to somewhere else. So their actions has just made me displeased because they are tested positive and yet they are not adhering or they are not complying to the restrictions that they have to follow. Actually, they have to quarantine for 14 days, whereas they are not doing that properly. I am not just talking about them. I am talking about even others who have been tested positive and doing like this. If one family is doing like this, what about the other families? So I request everyone, those who are tested positive, to quarantine themselves if they are in their house. Or please cooperate with the government officials because it is very essential that we need to fight this virus once and for all. So this is my humble request that please cooperate with the government, and if you have tested positive, please quarantine yourself. So this is the first topic which I am going to tell you about. The second topic which I am going to tell you is about self-motivation. So why I have taken this topic today is to relate to the coronavirus pandemic. So as you all know, the coronavirus began from last December. From then, we have witnessed lot of things happening around our world. So what would I like to say is, please do not break down because for the past 6 months, everyone has been in lockdown, and not only that, we were not able to enjoy like 2019, which is in fact even for me I could not enjoy much. But yet I have discovered a new way to keep me engaged and also to keep myself busy. So in order, what I did was I just thought of starting a YouTube channel and I self motivated that, and yet here I am talking to you, to all my subscribers. So please do self motivate yourself. Today, as it is a fun day, Sunday, I just wanted you to self motivate yourself, and you have a week ahead. So please plan yourself and self motivate and do it. You may be like have no work, but try keeping busy yourself. I am doing a YouTube channel which keeps me more interesting to learn many different things. So please do self motivate. Self motivate is nothing but a inside force which is driven by ourselves. Whereas motivation is a force which is driven by others to you. So please self motivate yourself, keep you engaged. This is the second point that I like to say. So before ending this video, one more time I like to say that please follow the rules and regulations, because if you get affected, it's okay. But from you, not others should get affected. Not anyone should be affected because of you. So with this, I end the video. So I hope you like the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.